People across the country welcome the new year with celebrations. There are others spending the night on duty. Along the line of control in the Gulmarg sector, BSF Jawans are braving extreme cold and heavy snowfall, keeping a close watch on the border. Moving through snow-covered forests, Jawans patrol the area on foot despite freezing temperatures and difficult terrain. Technology like drones help keep a watch from above, but on the ground, regular patrolling remains the most important part of the anti-infiltration grid.
While the country is celebrating New Year, there are festivities everywhere. But for these Jawans of the BSF, while they have a family at home, but this is the most important family. The family which stays with them 24/7. The Jawans who back up each other, who protect each other. And that is the motto of the BSF. So duty first for the BSF Jawans. And here you can clearly see this demonstration of fire and move, which is a tried and tested technique in these jungles.
Along with border security duties, the BSF is also prepared for counter-insurgency operations. Quick reaction teams carry out drills to deal with situations like securing a building taken over by terrorists, even in challenging weather conditions.
Now these Jawans are given these drills, different situations, different calibrations, but they have to be razor sharp and they have to be on the button. And this is why BSF is a force that is special in many ways. It has its water wing, it has marine commandos, it's doing duty on the line of control with precision, and then it also does CI operations, anti-terror operations. There are squads, there are QRTs that are always ready.
While the rest of the country celebrates the arrival of a new year, these Jawans remain at their posts. Their quiet vigilance ensures that the nation can celebrate in safety and peace.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.